Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be showcasing the top 5 best soldering wires you can buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each model's features and benefits. Let's get started. Maiyum JF850 Solder Wire. The Maiyum JF850 solder wire is a high-quality rosin core solder wire ideal for electrical soldering. Composed of 63% tin and 37% lead, it features a flux content of 1.8%. With a diameter of 0.8 millimeters and a gross weight of 50 grams, this solder wire is conveniently sized for portability. Its low melting point of 361 degrees Fahrenheit ensures easy soldering, smooth flow, and strong solder joints. This versatile solder wire is perfect for circuit boards, DIY projects, home improvement, and repairing various electrical devices such as cables, radios, and toys. Please note that this product contains lead, which is known to cause birth defects or other reproductive harm in the state of California. Towot SW1050 Solder Wire. The Towot Tin Lead Rosin Core Solder Wire is an excellent choice for electrical soldering tasks. With an alloy composition of 60% tin and 40% lead, it has a flux content of 1.8%. The wire has a diameter of 1.0 millimeters and a weight of 50 grams, making it suitable for various applications. This solder wire offers perfect soldering capability with a low melting point, smooth flow, fast soldering speed, and strong joints. Ideal for circuit boards, radios, and other home appliances, it is also great for DIY projects and home decorations. The manufacturer provides an after-sales guarantee to ensure a better shopping experience. Lin Solder Wire. The Lin 6040 solder wire is designed for efficient electrical soldering. Made of 60% tin and 40% lead, it features a flux content of 1.8%. The solder wire has a diameter of 0.8 millimeters and weighs 100 grams. Known for its antioxidation properties, low melting point, and fast welding, it produces beautiful and strong solder joints with minimal residue. This solder wire is highly effective for welding electronic components and repairing cables, radios, stereos, and circuit boards. It is also suitable for DIY projects and home improvement tasks. Please be aware that this product contains lead, which is recognized by the state of California to cause birth defects or other reproductive harm. Mandala Craft Solder Wire. The Mandala Craft solder wire is composed of 60% tin and 40% lead with a 2% flux core, melting quickly and cleanly for smooth, low-mess soldering. This versatile solder wire is ideal for electronics, electrical work, PCBs, jewelry making, stained glass, and more. With a lower melting temperature of 376 degrees Fahrenheit, it is perfect for intricate tasks like soldering guitars, LED strips, and wire splicing. Made from premium materials, it creates resilient joints that conduct electricity efficiently. The user-friendly spool or reel packaging allows easy unwinding and precise dispensing. Its pliable and malleable composition ensures smooth application, even in tight spaces. Note that this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. HengTianMei Solder Wire. The HengTianMei solder wire is a high-quality soldering wire with a 63% tin and 37% lead composition, featuring a 1.8% flux content. Its 0.3 millimeter diameter and 50 gram weight make it convenient for pocket storage. With a low melting point of 183 degrees Celsius, it offers excellent soldering capability, smoother welding processes, and strong solder joints. Ideal for electrical devices, this solder wire is perfect for radios, televisions, video recorders, stereo systems, wires, motors, and circuit boards. The professional service team is ready to provide support for any questions or concerns. We hope this video helps you find the perfect soldering wire. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time.